if you want to enhance your account security by removing old devices from your Capital One security settings, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Security section. Click on it to access your security settings. Step 3. Review registered devices. In the security settings, find the option that lists your registered devices. This section will show you all the devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select devices to remove. Identify the old or unused devices you wish to remove. There should be an option next to each device to either view details or remove it. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the devices you want to delete, confirm your choice. You may need to enter your password or complete a verification step to finalize the removal. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Capital One security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.